What is Toolsvilla? We are India's most preferred digital platform to buy and sell machinery, tools, and equipment. Be it the way people work in farms, process food, or wash cars. We have tools for almost every need, from drill machines to water pumps to combine harvesters. We have a huge digital catalog of more than 10,000 products from 300 global and Indian suppliers. Toolsvilla is more than just e-commerce. It's a digital community to review, share, question, answer, and compare different products and services. We are a combination of physical and digital experience. We have 2 fulfillment centers currently. And by 2021, we plan to launch 6 more across India. We don't just recommend products. We also inspire people with what they already don't know. Toolsvilla has mechanized 25,000 small businesses in 2 years. And more than 500,000 Indians visit the website every month. Toolsvilla is the ultimate destination to understand automation trends globally. We are backed by Techstars, Miller Center, Startup India, and Union Bank of India. Thank you.